sugar habits.
Okay, so this is a video, and April's at her computer, being retarded, like usual.
I'm not retarded.
And what else said Kerlak?
I'm not.
And I'm at April's house, as you can see. There's the kitchen, and there's a cake that Devin made for me, Ma. And there's a pot, and we can see some dinner that's kind of left over, because that's totally what you wanted to see. Yep, there's my border bowl that I never finished, and there's some pretty flowers. And April is still at the computer, and she doesn't feel like making a video, which is retarded, because I like videos.
No,
Tell me something good.
Well, you didn't feel like doing what I wanted to do tonight.
You're retarded, the end.
I love you. Hey,
April
I'm not
apparently
done.
is on her mouth fizzle.
Come back.
And look at her tongue, it's quite bad.
It's quite large.
And there's me, I'm second. See, I'm second. Who's George? Why are they posting bulletins?
George is George Huntington.
Anyway.
He's kind of gay.
That's April's face. It's kind of weird looking.
It's not weird. People used to say we looked alike. I'd be careful.
I don't care. The end.
Hey. Kelsey is my best friend. But sometimes I want to hurt her.
Like now?
Like when she spills potato chips in my
Hey,
car.
you spilled the potato chips. That came from your crotch.
In my effing car.
They came from your crotch.
Well, that's because you put them in my crotch.
They came from April's crotch.
Because she put them there.
But April was eating them, so it was her crotch.
But she put them in my crotch.
I'm gonna go and
It's all your
see
fault.
Pappy now. It's all my fault, apparently. And here's Pappy. And he's locked right now, but he's pretty good anyway. And this has been a short moment in my life, and hate is apparently for me. Goodbye.